Jade and James bedroom, take one.
Really slammy.
There you go. I'm James, this is Jade. We moved in the house about 2.5 years ago.
Yeah, the whole house needs doing up, but we decided the bedroom was the one we're gonna tackle first. The bedroom was miserable. It was really, really sad. There wasn't enough space. I love being in my bedroom. I'm a big bedroom girl. So it was really important that it felt warm and cozy, but also had tons of space. I have loads and loads of clothes. James has considerably less clothes, but I have a lot. So we just needed space for both of us. So we decided to go with Howdens because they had so many different options. In the end, we decided to go with the Bridgemere range. It just had a lot of what we were looking for. We've got a Victorian house, so we wanted a style that kind of went with the house, so we chose that more traditional style.
We had a lot of help choosing the items that we put in there, including the Architrave, the skirts, the door, the actual cupboard units themselves, and the Cheshire drawers. There was a lot of help with the design team to choose the correct components to match our theme and style.
I am very small, and on my side of the wardrobes, one of the rails, you can actually pull it forward and pull it down, so it's much easier for me to actually be able to reach my clothes without having to get a little stepping stool to stand on, so that's really great.
Yeah, the units are pretty tall, so you can fit lots of stuff in there, and that's fine for me, but I think that rail pull down is pretty good for you.
Necessary.
Howdens also supplied us with our flooring. I think that was the biggest element apart from the units themselves. Before we had these carpets that had been used from previous owners. So getting that ripped out and putting this nice flooring down made a huge difference.
Our favourite part of the bedroom is definitely the Howdens fitted wardrobe. It's the main event in there. It's what we needed more than anything else, all the additional storage. It's the exact style that we wanted. We honestly love every single element of it.